This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat heading to Fossés Louis VIII Street. If you have ever passed this street, you may have asked yourself a double question: where are the ditches? And who is this Louis VIII? Well, in this podcast I'm going to answer both of your questions. Let's start first with Louis VIII. Louis VIII, known as the Lion, was born in 1187 in Paris and died in 1226 in Montpensier, a town located in Auvergne. Louis the Lion was King of France from 1223 to 1226, eighth of the dynasty known as the direct Capetians. He is the son of King Philippe II, known as Philippe Auguste, 1165–1223, and Isabelle of Hainaut, 1170–1190. Ascended on the throne of France in 1223, he devoted his short reign to extending royal power to Poitou, which he seized in 1224. He thus successfully launched a crusade against the Albigensians in 1226, capturing the largest fortress of Avignon. Sick, he decided to return to Paris but died on the way in Montpensier. Concerning the beginning of the name of the street, this refers to the old ditches of the first enclosure which surrounded and protected Rouen from external attacks. The link with Louis VIII is easy to understand because in 1224, the latter gave these ditches to the poor of the city so that they could build homes there.